Okay, folks, section 5.1, measures of central tendency. Some big words just meaning mean, median, and mode, which you already know. And I've put some definitions up here for you. The mean is the average. You add up all the numbers and divide them by the number of numbers in the set. Okay, so I'll just read what it says. The mean, or average, is the sum of a set of numbers divided by how many numbers are in the set. Okay? Now the median is the middle number, or the mean of the two middle numbers of a set of numbers that have been written in numerical order. I usually write them from least to greatest. Okay? So they give us an example. In this first one right here, it's 3, 5, 5, 7, 10, 11, and 12. See, they went from least to greatest also. And there are 7 numbers. So I've got a middle number with 3 on this side and 3 on that side. Now over here, in this other example, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's an even number. I've got 4 on this side and 4 on this side. I don't have a middle number. So I'm going to average these two. What's the number right between 7 and 9? Well, that number is 8. Okay? All right. The mode, that's the number that occurs most often in a set. That's the one that shows up the most. Okay? So let's go down here to example number 1 and see what they're asking us to do. It says you interview 15 students in your class and ask how many times each has flown in an airplane. The results are shown below. They want us to find the mean, the median, and the mode of the data. Okay? Now, fortunately for us, they've already listed them from least to greatest. All right? I'll write my answers over here. Here's the mean, and I'll put an equal sign. Here's the median. Okay? And then I'm going to do the mode. Now, I'm going to do the ones that require the least amount of work first. The mode is telling which number shows up the most. Now, I've got 2 zeros. Only 1 1, but I've got 4 2s. So right now, I've got, the mode is 2 because I have 4 of them. I've got 3 4s, so that's not enough. And then that's it. So the mode is going to be 2. That's the number that shows up the most. Now I'm going to do the median. Remember, the median is the number in the middle. So let's count how many numbers we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's good. It's an odd number. That means there's 1 in the middle. Okay, so if there's 1 in the middle, that means there's 7 on either side, because those will add up to equal 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That'll be my median. Let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so my median is 4, because there are 7 on this side and 7 on that side and 1 in the middle. All right. Now, to find the median, I've got to add all these numbers and divide by what? That's right, 15, the number of numbers in the set. All right, so I count, even though these are zeros, they're still numbers, so I add them up. 0, 0, 0, plus 1 is 1. Let's see, 1, and that's 8, so that makes 9. 9, and that's 12, so that's 21, 26, 32, 42, and 18. 42 and 18, somebody. Come on, come on. That's right. 60 and 32 is 92. So 92, and then I'm going to divide by 15, right? Now, I could write that as a fraction, but we're going to do that by hand, and I'm going to do it out. So remember, the top number always goes inside the house. Okay? And this is 15 out here. 15 goes into 92 6 times. Okay? 6 times 5 is 30. Carry my 3. 6 times 1 is 6, and 3 is 9. Now, subtract. That gives me 2, and I bring down my 0. 15 into 20 goes once. 1 times 15 is 15. Subtract. That's 5. Bring down my 0. 15 into 50 goes 3 times. 3 times 15 is 45. Uh-oh. Looks like it's repeating. Right? Because now I'm going to get a 50 again. All right. So my mean is 6.13 repeating. You guys check and make sure I did that right, but I think I've got it. That's going to be our mean, median, and mode.